Hi everyone, I'm Shubham, and in this video we are going to cover about one of my recent AI product management project, a B2B AI knowledge assistant. The problem I want to solve is something many organizations face today. Their knowledge is scattered across different places. For example, HR policies might be stored in some documents and some policies informations in Notion platform, customer discussion in Slack, and engineer information in the Jira. So when an employee has a simple question to like what is our current refund policy, they may have to search through each and every document to get the particular answer. And even after finding that answer, there is another problem that do we have the correct information or not? That led me to the idea of building an internal AI knowledge assistant. So the basic workflow is simple. An organization can upload multiple internal documents such as HR policies, product documentations, support documentation, sales informations, and engineer documentation as well. So the system processes these documents and create a searchable knowledge base. Employees can then ask questions in a natural human language. For example, what is our refund policies for the enterprise customers? So this is the question that an employee can answer to a particular platform like these at less knowledge. Instead of relying purely on the LLM existing knowledge, the system uses RAG, which is retrieval augmented generation, or you can say RAG itself, to retrieve relevant information. What RAG does is it improves the quality of response by retrieving the up to date information. But I don't want to build just another chat with your document application. For the MVP, I did not kept the scope focused. I did not build Slack, Google Drive, Notion, or Jira integration yet. That would be in a version 2. My goal was first to validate the core principle experience, which is the user is able to upload multiple documents, retrieve it, generate and receive some insight and verify that that information is correct or not. The long term vision is to turn this into a trusted AI knowledge tool like Google Drive, Slack, Notion, and Jira. I built this MVP using Lovable, and this project helps me think beyond simply building an AI feature. Let's take a look and take an example of what actually we have built in internal AI assistant. So once we upload a document, we can extract the information from that particular document. I'll give you an example of this. While clicking on this upload button, we can upload multiple documents here, like your HR policies, product documentation, company policies, right? So I'm going to click HR policy here and drag or click on this drag and drop section here and goes and select this human resource policies here. So once I click this, I can see the doc here, which I can upload by clicking on this upload button. Once I do this, it is going to process it for some time, and then uh, you can see some part of the car's information has changed here. Now we have the three documents. Now the question I have asked so far now is 0, but index page is total number of index pages 27. And you can see we have only one conversations till now. So once I go to our new conversation, you can see we have our conversation here, and according to that particular document, we can ask some questions. So let I want to know about company meals and breaks, meals and breaks. If I click on the search button, you can see The RAG is actually, the LLM is actually doing its job, and it is going to retrieve the information like company meals and rest periods are provided in accordance with federal, state, and local laws. Lunch break are generally half an hour or 1 hour, and employees are typically allowed a 10-minute break after working. So you can see a precise key pointed information is given to the user or the consumer who is going to leverage this, right? So it's a tool where we can ask about the questions related to the document that we have uploaded. So this is all about a RAG based internal AI assistant applications. I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for the next content.